लास्ट टाइम हमने ये डिस्कस किया था कि कैसे आप डिसाइड करोगे कि आपने अपनी पेट्रोल कार में सीएनजी किट लगवानी है या गाड़ी को पेट्रोल पे चलाना है। बहुत से लोगों ने उसको अप्रिशिएट किया। अभी ये वीडियो हम बनाने जा रहे हैं कि आप कैसे डिसाइड करो 5 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स विच बेस्ड ऑन दीज 5 पॉइंट्स यू आर गोइंग टू डिसाइड कि कहां से आप अपने गाड़ी पे सीएनजी किट लगवाएंगे। These are very, very important points. Guys, my name is Sandeep Sharma. You are watching my YouTube channel. So, first point out of the 5 most important point is selecting a government authorized fitment center. उसका रीजन ये है, जब आप गवर्नमेंट ऑथराइज फिटमेंट सेंटर से कराएंगे अपनी सीएनजी किट फिट कराएंगे तो आपको आरसी एंडोर्स कराने के लिए डॉक्यूमेंट मिलेंगे। मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट के हिसाब से आरसी एंडोर्स सीएनजी किट लगवाना कंपल्सरी होता है। सिमिलरली, नॉट ओनली आरसी एंडोर्समेंट, आफ्टरवर्ड्स सब्सिक्वेंटली यू हैव टू गेट योर सीएनजी किट रजिस्टर्ड ऑन योर endorsed on your insurance also. Second point, the most important point is to see whether the fitment is done in the best possible way. I mean to say, the CNG kit is not a consumable item, it is a serviceable item. So it takes around 4 hours to fit a CNG kit. Now, unless and until CNG kit is installed in the best possible way, then only your performance will be better on CNG kit. So इसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to visit a workshop, 2-3 workshops, select 2-3 workshops, visit those places, see how CNG kit is being installed there, then decide whether the CNG kit fitment is better in which workshop. Third most important point is the availability of trained technician who are going to take care of your CNG kit for next few years. Guys, this is very, very important point. The reason is you're going to get 1-year warranty and afterwards your cars will be maintained for next few years, 4-5 years at least. So make sure the technicians available at the workshop are fully trained, and you are going to visit those workshops and then you are going to definitely get an idea whether the technicians are better or not. Very important component, spare part availability of CNG kit at that particular workshop is very important. So whenever you visit that workshop, make sure you see whether all the components, all the spare parts are available at that workshop or not. You can very well gauge while visiting those workshops. Fifth and most important point is also selecting the brand of the CNG kit. That is also one of the very important point. Now, before going for the brand, we must understand what is a brand, how a brand is being built. Brand is the how a customer perceive about that product. So for building a brand, it takes years. Like for example, there are many points based on which brand is being built, like availability of spare parts, mouth-to-mouth publicity of those brands, and there are many more points. Now, every brand, a good brand, will definitely carry some price. Like I'll give you an example. If you compare 2 cars, one is Celerio and another is Squid. Both are of same cc, 1000 cc. Now, Squid is having little more features than Celerio. For example, its tank size is more than Celerio. Similarly, it is having CD player if we do apple to apple comparison. Now, if you compare their prices, Celerio is having price of 5.83 lakhs ex showroom price, whereas Squid is having price of 5.39 lakhs ex showroom price. What is the reason? Because of the brand being built by Maruti Suzuki for their products. Let me take another example. If we compare Honda City and Ciaz, both are having almost same cc. If we do apple to apple comparison of its same variants, you will find there are many features of Ciaz which is better off as compared to Honda City. Like for example, its mileage claim as per ICAT, the fuel tank capacity, CD availability, etc. But if you compare the price, Honda City is priced at 9.29 lakhs ex showroom price, and Ciaz is priced at 8.52. What is the reason? The brand of Honda City. Therefore, if you are selecting a brand and if you are selecting a big brand, definitely it is going to cost little more. So gentlemen, these are the 5 points which I told you, which you must keep in your mind while selecting a workshop for installing CNG kit. I am sure this is going to give you a big benefit in selecting the workshop. Please let us know in the comment section which other subject you are going to you want us to have in the next video. Thank you very much.